Hello everyone. I've got my jumbo Prezi for my birthday. It finally came. I'm super duper excited. It is from Colombo Collection. It's a 1952. And you just wait till it opens. I'm super duper excited. I can't wait. Oh my gosh. Haha. Inside the box is another box. Oh, honey. Help me with the box. I think if I cut it down the side, you can slide it out unless you want to pull it out the top. Haha! You can't see it because the box is huge, but we cut one side down to create an opening to slide out the precious. Oh. Oh. Haha! Box number 2. This is super well packaged. And I'm very grateful for that. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Oh, cool. It's got a neat vintage antique cover. Oh, yay. Should I cut the side down again on this one? Or do you want to reach in for the handle? Can you get your hand in there? Oh, cool. Ta-da! I have to show you guys. Look at the cool. What a neat sound.
Seriously?
Yeah.
1,000-pound paper.
It's beautiful.
That is really pretty.
No, look how pretty.
I'm glad you got it.
Hooray. And there's a ribbon.
Can go away now.
I think so.
I really like that though.
That's awesome.
It's pretty spiffy. Quick a key.
I want to put paper in it.
Just for me.
I guess the paper is coming separate because I did order the extras and I can't wait for those. Hit the T. Well.
For terrific.
Ah, I need a piece of paper.
That's not paper.
It is 2 paper. It's big paper. I hope I'm doing this right. Ooh, what do those do?
I should lock your safe under.
These thingies?
Huh? What thing?
These thingies.
Push it.
I'm gonna have to ask her. Oh my gosh.
Neat.
Yay!
I love
I'll put the ribbon in, okay? How cool! I think I'm gonna have to have some instructions because I cannot remember how to do any of these things. But this is so beautiful. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Happy way belated birthday.
Yay! Happy way belated birthday to me! It's so pretty. Oh my goodness. So I will play with it and learn everything about it, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you. Bye.